Greetings, Evil Boy Genius here. No Connor today, he's back out in the cave. I've just come in from the gym doing a workout. Observation I made to Mrs. EBG while we were in Clane having our eyeballs done. We both had eyes done, their lenses. They get the old ones, they smash them up with laser or ultrasound, depending which technique they go for. And they put a vacuum cleaner in, suck the old lens out and replace it with a funky plastic one. And I had them done about 16 months ago and my results were spectacular. I mean, I was wearing glasses from the age of 4, so nearly 50 years. And I went from being pretty poor sighted to better than 20/20, both eyes near and far. Pretty much overnight, in the space of a couple of weeks. So I was evangelical about it and I was pushing Mrs. EBG to get the same thing done. She was resistant at first, saying, you know, it's really expensive and I like my glasses and yada, yada, yada. And in the end, I wore her down and she had it done. But while we were up at the hospital, I observed something. And that is there were several, in the day ward, I think there were 10 beds. And probably at least 3, possibly 4 of them, including us, were couples. Meaning the person who was having it done, his or her partner, had already had it done. Which got me thinking, you know, despite the spectacular results I got, and they know it because you go up for the checkups, despite the spectacular results I got, they have not once been in touch with me and encouraged me to refer me to friends or family, which means they're missing out on a big opportunity. Because, you know, there's nothing quite like a testimonial to a partner or a friend or family member or something like this to sell it. And it's not a cheap thing. I mean, my eyes were 5k plus 500 or 600 euro for the hospital stay, which was covered by insurance. And Mrs. EBG's was 8.5k. Because she didn't have cataract, so it wasn't on insurance. So it's not a small item, it's not a small ticket item, it's a big ticket item. It's an easy sell, and you've got a raving band of fans because we've had it done and it's like, this is amazing. And they don't do anything to stimulate referrals. Now I know they've got to be careful in some way. They're probably very strictly limited to what they can say in terms of referrals. Okay, they're probably very strictly limited in what they can do to get you to refer. But there must be something, even if it was just a newsletter every month reminding us of what's happened and maybe new developments in the technology, you know, they could do this, but they didn't. Now, the same is true of your business, right? The best and easiest and most profitable customers and clients you will ever get, the easiest sales are going to be to people who have already bought from you before or their referrals, okay, or their referees. Yeah, referees. No, referrers. Anyway, people they refer, whatever. And yet none of us really exploit that to its full extent. What we do is we tend to look for new customers, new clients in order to get new business. And it's almost like we're missing the vein of gold right under our nose. So one of the things we're going to be doing in Ground Zero is we're going to be showing you how to stimulate referrals and how to get the people you served before not only to buy again, but also to refer you to their friends, family, and colleagues and the rest of it. Okay? If that sounds like something you'd like to do and learn how to do properly, click the link in the comments and we'll show you how to do it in Ground Zero. Or if your need is urgent, then PM me and we'll arrange a time to talk. Serious inquiries only, please. It's not cheap. We don't work with people one-on-one for peanuts. All right? Pay peanuts, get monkeys. In the meantime, I'm out of here. Speak to you later. Ta-da.